Welcome to New Cubitronics. Today, let us see a configuration of a Wi-Fi 3-phase motor starter remote controller. In the L slot, connect your phase wire. In the N slot, connect your neutral wire. Next, in the on slot, connect your starter on switch wires. And in the off slot, connect your starter off switch wires. The connection details are available in our manual. Kindly refer to it. Now we are going to configure this device to your Wi-Fi router. First, switch on your device. You can see the LED light above your Wi-Fi blinking. This will blink faster initially, so wait for 2 minutes until it slows down. Now you can observe the Wi-Fi LED blinking slower. At this stage, go to your Wi-Fi settings in your mobile. You will be able to observe your device name where you can connect it. Qubit motor config. Click on it and switch on your connection with your router. It will ask for your password. This is password with your P. Your P is capital and the other letters are in small letters. Set the password and go to your mobile app. Here, go to settings, IP config, and wait for your device internal config page. Here, your SSID is your Wi-Fi router name. Enter it. The password is your Wi-Fi router password. The IP is your Wi-Fi router IP. Here in the fourth column, set it between 50 to 100. Make sure that this is not used before in your or currently used in your router. The token ID and the device ID will be provided by us. Now click on send. Here this page shows what you have set. Device is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi router. So restart your device and you can see your Wi-Fi LED blinking, which indicates that your device is being connected to your router. Now your Wi-Fi LED is stable. This indicates that it is connected to your Wi-Fi router. At this stage, you can control your motor via this device through your mobile app from anywhere in this world. If you want this wonderful device, kindly contact us at New Cubitronics. Thank you.